topic is about perfect square trinomial. Sa example number 1, titingnan nyo kung siya ba ay trinomial. 1, 2, 3. It consists of 3 terms, so that is trinomial. Next, aalamin natin siya kung siya ay perfect square trinomial. So, perfect square trinomial ba siya? Para masabing perfect square trinomial, kailangan ang kanyang first term at last term ay perfect square at ang kanyang gitna ay twice ng square root ng first and last. So, yung x squared, siya ba ay perfect square? So, this is perfect square. Yung 9, siya ba ay perfect square? Or may exact square root? So, may exact square root ang 9, that is 3. No, square, so, tignan naman natin yung gitna. Twice ba siya ng square root ng first and last? So, ang square root ng x squared is x. Ang square root ng 9 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. Then, twice. So, pag sinabing twice ay times 2. 3x times 2 is 6x. So, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square trinomial. So, ang kanyang factors ay parang kagaya lang din nung sa difference of two squares. Parehas ang kanyang first term, parehas ang kanyang last term. Then, parehas ang operation or parehas ang sign. Ang square root ng x squared is, to get the terms, just get the square root of the first term. Ang square root ng first term, ang square root ng x squared is x. Ang square root ng 9 is 3. So, yan. Lalagay nyo lang siya sa parentheses. Then, copy the sign of the middle term. Ang sign ng middle term is plus. So, pareha siyang plus. Sa difference of two square, magkaiba sila ng sign. Sa perfect square trinomial, parehas ang sign. Kung ano yung sign ng middle term, yun yung inyong gagayahin. So, ang factors ng x squared plus 6x plus 9 ay x plus 3 times x plus 3. So, again, pag i-multiply natin itong dalawa, the answer is ito. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Or, pwede nyo yung isulat as square of binomial. So, di ba mapapansin nyo, pareha sila. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, pwede nyo yung isulat ng isang beses lang yung x plus 3, then, lagyan nyo lang siya ng squared. Ang tawag dyan ay square of binomial. So, yan ay sa special product. So, sa special product, yung x plus 3 squared, pag in-expand nyo yan, yan ay x plus 3 times x plus 3. Next, example number 2. Y squared minus 10y plus 25. So, trinomial ba siya? 1, 2, 3. It consists of 3 terms. 1, 2, 3 terms. Next, alamin natin kung siya ay kung perfect square ang kanyang first and last. Perfect square ba ang y squared? Yes. Perfect square ba ang 25? Sa 25 ay may exact square root, that is 5. Next, twice ba yung gitna ba ay twice ng square root ng first and last. So, square root of y squared is y square root of 25 is 5. 5 times y is 5y. Then, twice times 2. 5y times 2 is 10. So, ang y squared minus 10y plus 25 ay perfect square. So, ang kanyang factors ay 2 binomials. Gawa ulit kayo ng dalawang parentheses. Doon nyo ilalagay. Next, get the terms in the binomial. So, para makuha yun, just get the square root of y squared, y. So, parehas ang first term. Next, square root of 25 is 5. Parehas ang last term dun sa binomial. Next, copy the sign of the middle term. Negative. So, ang factors ng y squared minus 10y plus 25 is y minus 5 times y minus 5. Or, pwede natin siyang isulat as square of binomial. Y minus 5, isang beses lang natin isusulat, then squared. Yan. So, that is the factors. So, pag in-square natin itong y minus 5, ito ang sagot. Pag minultiply natin yung y minus 5 times y minus 5, the answer is y squared minus 10y plus 25. Next, another example. B squared plus 49 plus 14b. So, again, ang factors niya ay magagawa kayo ng 2 binomials. Then, i-apply nyo siya, i-identify nyo siya kung siya ay trinomial. 1, 2, 3. So, it consists of 3 times trinomial. Next, titingnan natin kung perfect square. So, tingnan nyo, ang b squared ba ay perfect square, that is perfect square. Ang 49 ba ay perfect square, that is perfect square. Ang square root niya ay 7. Next, tingin kayo sa gitna, twice ba siya ng square root ng first and last? Square root ng b squared is b. Square root ng 49 is 7. 7 times b is 7b. Then, twice ba siya? So, 7b times 2 is 14b. So, siya ay twice, yung gitna. Next, so, to get the factors, just get the square root of the first term. Square root ng b squared is b. So, lalagay niya doon. b parehas yung first term. Next, punta kayo sa huli. Sa last term, square root ng 49 is 7. Next, to get the operation or the sign, okay, punta kayo sa middle term. Ang sign ng middle term ay positive. So, ang sign niya ay positive. Next, so, ang factors nito ay ito. Pag multiply natin yung b plus 7 times b plus 7, the answer is b squared plus 14b plus 49. Or, pwede nyo siyang isulat as square of binomial. b plus 7 squared. Pag sanay na kayo, pwedeng diretso na kayo dito. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, get the square root of b squared, b, get the square root of 49, 7, then square. Ganun lang. Pag sanay na kayo, pwedeng ito na lang ang inyong isagot, pwedeng hindi nyo na ito ipakita. So, another example. C squared plus 16d squared minus 8cd. So, tingnan nyo yung example. Siya ba ay trinomial? 1, 2, 3. Then, siya ba ay perfect square? Yes, it is perfect square. Ito perfect square ba? Yes, it is perfect square. Then, itong gitna, twice ba siya ng square root ng 2? So, square root of c squared is c. Square root of 16d squared is 4d. 4d times c is 4cd times 2 is 8cd. So, this is perfect square trinomial. Next, so doon na tayo sa shortcut. So, gawa kayo ng isang parenthesis lang. Then, ganito lang. Kunin nyo lang yung square root ng c squared, c. Then, kunin nyo yung square root ng 16d squared, 4d. Then, copy the sign of the middle term, minus. Then, lagyan nyo lang ng squared. Ganun lang kadali yung kanyang shortcut. Hindi na kayo dadaan doon.